Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to create ads. This is the part 3 of the topic we are treating on how to earn daily income on Binance P2P. Make sure to watch this video to the end. If you have not been following up, kindly go and check on videos we have done, the part 1 and part 2. Now, for those who have been following up, let's proceed. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. So let's proceed without wasting much of our time.
How to create an ads on P2P. Now, first of all, you go to your P2P, the wallet, you click on buy. First of all, you click on these 3 dots at the right top of your page. Click on it. Click on advertisement mode. You confirm. Now, when you click on advertisement mode, you click on ads below. Click on ads. Click on this plus sign. Good. Now, this buy button represents you offering a coin for sale, while this sell button represents you trying to buy from people. Don't get it confused. The buy means you are putting up an ad for people to buy from you, while the sell means you are putting up an ad for people to sell to you, sell their coin to you. Now I'm putting on buy. Now this coin has to do with this asset, has to do with coin you are trying to trade. Is it USDT, is it BTC, is it BUSD, is it BNB, is it Ethereum, is it DAI, is it Nigeria coin? I'm clicking on BNB. Come on, network. Let's give it a little while. Yeah, so with fiat means which currency you would like to be paid in. Of course, you'll be paid in Nigerian naira, so you're picking up Nigerian naira. Now, fixed or floating is 2 different things. Fixed means this is the price, you're putting a fixed price. I think my fixed price is 159,000. But if you're putting on a fixed price, which means whether BNB goes up or goes down, your price remains the same. The only way you can change is when you come and change it manually. You get. So this is the fixed price for this is the meaning of fixed price. Now floating means you are actually controlling your price using a percentage, a certain percentage. It means whether once BNB goes up or goes down, your price will fluctuate based on the percentage you have placed it on. For instance, I'm putting my price on 129 percentage. My price is 146. If you notice, you see the price you see the way it's fluctuating. It's fluctuating based on the change on BNB. When BNB goes up or goes down, my price will be fluctuating on that particular percent. You get. So the 2 of them have their particular advantage, which I'll be showing us, I'll be teaching us as we go on, and when we get to how to trade, or when we get to the simple tricks on how to bag profits daily. But for now, let's use a fixed. So the fixed, I'm going to just put it at 156,000. You get, and I go to the next. Now this next shows the amount of BNB you are selling, on the amount of BNB you want to sell. For instance, I have one BNB, I want to sell 1 BNB or 2 BNB, depends, or whatever I want to do. Now this one depends. This one is the minimum amount you want to be the minimum amount of purchase you want. For instance, you put your minimum of 5,000. This simply means that anybody that wants to buy from you must have the minimum of 5,000 before they can purchase any coin from you. Then the least amount you can put is 1,000 naira. You get. Now the maximum amount you can put here, which means the maximum amount the person can purchase. The maximum amount here is 1 million naira. You can't exceed 1 million naira. You get. Now your transfer, your payment method is next. You have to have at least, you can the maximum amount of payment method you can have is 5. It's 5 you can have. You get. So if you want to add your payment method, you click on this add button here. You click on bank transfer. You click on add button rather, sorry. Click on the bank transfer and you add your payment method. You get. Now this 15 minutes has to do with the time frame. The time frame on which if you've noticed in some pages, when you click on their page, you see the time counting. The time counting is, it simply means if no action is taken within that time frame, the trade will be cancelled. But once you have clicked on please release, or you or the person that is trying to buy from you click on please release that he has made payment, or you indicate you have made payment by clicking on the transfer next button, it simply means your fund is now on standby. The trade is now on standby since an action has been taken. But the action has not been taken within this either 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, depending on the time you will pick, the trade will be simply cancelled. Yeah. So that's it. Now when you click on next, these terms is your terms and conditions where you can put all the terms and conditions, what you want the player to pay attention to before they initiate a trade. Is your terms and condition. There are two things. This is your auto reply, because this terms and condition, most people do not really look at it. They'll just initiate trade, but it's always there. When you click on a buyer or the seller's page, if you scroll down, you'll see terms and condition. Now this auto reply, in case they did not read the terms and condition, this auto reply is what you see. Some people, when you just click on your trade, you just see a message there. This is a secret. It's an auto reply. They just put the auto reply there. So whenever you click on it, you just see I'm online, or you just see something or something. This is an auto reply. So this is what you put there. You can either put them online or put all you think you want to put there for them to be able to see once they initiate your trade. Now, this counterparty condition, it simply means you are trying to say that the people that will initiate trade with you must have completed their KYC, or you put the days you wanted to register. You can put register. They must have registered for like 30 days or more, or they may have up to like maybe 0.1 BTC before they can have a open trade with you. Or and this register, they must register for like 30 days before they can put trade with you, or they must have completed their KYC. Now all these things are not really necessary. The really why the most people on these things, because you're not going to have someone that just registered today come and start giving you issues on P2P, because there are some stupid people that will just register today that don't know anything about P2P and will come and frustrate you. I'm telling you the truth, they will frustrate your life. That's the reason why some people put this, and you see, if you put this in like this, your ad will be showing limited. That means if the person does not meet the requirement, this requirement you have made there, the person will not be able to trade with you. So all these are not really necessary when you want to ensure that you want to ensure that these particular people that are not so new to P2P will not frustrate you. Now, this online button and the offline button simply means when you're posting your ad, you go straight online for people to see. Why this offline means it will go offline. It will not be feasible, but it will be posted. I getting it. So if you post offline, you can easily still go to the page of your ads and put it online. I'll show you that. But let's put it online next. Online first. You post. Now your ads have been posted. I will show you where you can see it done. Now, concerning the putting off online, this ad now is online. Now you go to the page of BNB. Let me show you my ad now. In 156. Yes, this is my ad. Are you seeing it? This is currently my ad. Abel. You can see it correctly. This is currently one of my ad. Now, are you seeing it? That's it. That's my ads posted correctly there. Now, oh, sorry, I didn't know I muted myself. Sorry, if you can hear me. Yeah, I was showing these are the ads you get. So once you do your ads will go online. That's simply how to create your ads. That's all. If you want to edit your ads anytime, you can just come here, click on this little three dots button showing downwards. Click on it and you click on quick edits, and you see you're able to edit all your ads here. You can change the trading amount, you can change the other limits, you can change the price, whatever you want to do. You get it. And if you want to remove your ad online, you just click on this button and the ad will go offline. It's no longer be visible online again. Are you seeing that? So that is it. Okay. So I want to close this ad now. So I'm closing the ad. You want to close your ad anytime, you just click on this button and you can close your ad. Close, and your ad is closed. So that's going to be it for how to create an ads on P2P.